Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set seat memory in your Subaru Ascent. First, locate the memory set buttons on the driver's side door panel. Make sure your vehicle is in park and the ignition is on. Now, adjust the driver's seat, including the backrest and lumbar support, to your ideal driving position. Take your time to get it just right for maximum comfort and safety. Once your seat is perfectly adjusted, it's time to save the position. Press and hold the Set button, which is usually found near the memory buttons, until you hear a single beep. Immediately after the beep, within 5 seconds, press and hold button 1 until you hear a second confirmation beep. This indicates that your first preferred seat position is now successfully stored. To save a second driver's preferred seat position, have the second driver get in and adjust the seat to their liking. Just like before, press and hold the Set button until you hear that familiar beep. Then, within 5 seconds, press and hold button 2 until you hear the confirmation beep. Now, 2 distinct seat positions are saved and ready for quick recall. Recalling your saved seat position is incredibly simple. When you get into your Subaru Ascent, just press either button 1 or button 2 corresponding to your saved setting. The seat will automatically move to that exact position, making your drive comfortable from the start. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These can really help streamline your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.